Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome, and for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Click that all button next to the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another Misfits market unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box this week, then stick around and stay tuned. Alright guys, can't find my scissors. Where's my scissors? Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. And again, different packaging. As usual, every week is something completely different. Throw this in the sink. I did order some extra. This week I ordered mushrooms. So I ordered some baby Bella and some oyster mushrooms. I was supposed to do a video last time on them, but I didn't. I ate them and didn't do one. So I will probably do a video with my oyster mushrooms. You don't get a lot of them, but it's enough to make a little something with. So those are the two things that I ordered extra. Oh wow. I ordered some spinach and they gave me 2 bunches. That's good. I freaking love spinach. Like I said, always I love greens. As always, I always order collards. These look pretty good. Got 1 yellow leaf. The bundle is not big, but it's good. Got my favorite, some bok choy. Oh, why is there a tissue in there? I guess the bok choy may have been wrapped in it. I don't know. I never had that before. I got 2 bok choy. Oh, I must have ordered something else. Oh, they sent me something free. No, I didn't order nothing to drink. Let's see what this is. Plant-based milk alternative chocolate. Oh, they sent me something free. Good karma. I love chocolate milk. Let's see what it's made out of though. I don't like I don't do soy milk. I do almond milk. And this is made from pea protein. So I haven't tried the Good Karma brand plant milk. So that's a free sample. So I'll try that and see how that is. I got another head of cauliflower. I got an acorn squash. I don't know what this is. Probably a plum. I don't know if I ordered. I can't remember. Per usual what I order, I never can. Because my memory sucks. Let's see what's in the box. Feel like Christmas. Roma tomatoes. I did order these. That one ain't ready yet. Somebody's calling me. Okay. Yeah, these just I'm gonna sit these in this one in the window and let it get a little more ripe. But I planted these in my garden. Mine never got this big, but since the fall hit, they've been growing again. So I have some out there, but mine are like they're Roma shaped, but they're little small ones. But they're growing again. So go figure in the cold. So I got 3 red onions. Happy about that. They're really small though. They're teeny tiny. That's Misfit for real, because I don't think I ever see them that small in the store. Then I got a little small head of grape cabbage. Purple cabbage. Well, they call it red. I call it purple. I got some more pears because I've been eating pears a lot lately. And I got some apples today from Costco. And I ordered lemons. So I got 3 of those. And I ordered some peppers. and I got 2 of those. And let's see if they put any paperwork in here. They did. So let's see what's on the paperwork today. We got a miso ginger glazed eggplant. That sounds pretty good. Let's let y'all see it. Hopefully y'all can see that. Now that I take a picture of it and put it on the screen in case somebody want to make it. And then that is the instructions. I can't ever get this right. That's the instructions on how to make it. I don't know why I just don't do a picture of this mess every week and put it up there. Last week they didn't put nothing in the box. Okay, and then they have a little sales ad, I guess, of what they're going to be having. Now they're selling pastas and pasta sauces, different stuff now that they've added to that market, which I like that they add different stuff, dry goods, so it's not just vegetables anymore. So I put on the screen up everything. I don't know if I got everything I ordered because I don't know what I ordered. To be very honest, I never remember what I ordered from week to week, but I like my selection this week. Somebody on my comment said that they don't, their weight, they get less, you know, the pound amount of weight than what they order. I've never checked my weight. I just don't. I'm not getting ready to go weigh a box and see if it's the actual weight of, you know, it's supposed to be between 13 and 15 pounds, but I'm not getting ready to weigh the box and see if it's that amount. That's just too much for me. But to each his own. If I feel like it ain't enough quantity in there, then I guess I just send a freaking email and say, hey, I mean, don't seem like y'all giving me enough. But anywho, people have that right to do what they want to with if it's their money and they don't think they're getting that money's worth. By all means, say something. But I've been satisfied with the quantity for the most part. My thing is just sometimes my vegetables look like trash every blue moon, especially at the beginning of COVID, which maybe have a repeat effect again because today we were out of toilet paper at the store. So alright, this is it, everything I got. I got a head of cauliflower, 2 bunches of spinach, 1 bunch of collard greens, 2 stalks of bok choy, 3 lemons, 3 pears, 1 little small acorn squash, 2 green pepper. They're small. I'm a little bruised, but it's fine. 1 head of red purple cabbage, 3 red onions, 3 Roma tomatoes. Purchased some baby bellas and some oyster mushrooms, and I got a free gift of some chocolate milk. So that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and share. I put my code across the screen. You get 25 off. I get 25% off of your first purchase if you're new to them. They're growing and going into other markets. I saw it on the map, so check if they wasn't in your area recently. They may be there now, so go back and check. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.